Now this isn't the power tool battery, now this is something else. Now we're back to e-bike batteries again. And this is a Gocycle battery. And I always thought that Gocycle was some high-tech engineering from BMZ or something like that. But then I saw the only connector they have is an Anderson power pole. And a DC connector. That is definitely something we can work with. This is the Gocycle G3. So let's have a look at this. It has port capacity and it seems the customer has opened it. 2 layers. Okay, they ever have a 40 amp fuse. But I guess this is a 250 watt e-bike. Okay, Panasonic PF 21.6, 13.5. It's a 6S battery, so it's almost like a power tool battery in. We do have a lot of electronics here. Maybe something in here, except the fuse? No, probably not. Why are they using such a thick wire? 12 AVG. Okay, now this is a 5,000 euro e-bike. And there seems to be a Europe version with 250 watt and an American version with 500 watts. But that don't explain 12 AVG and 40 amp fuse, which is really overkill. It's probably an aluminum wire, it looked like it. Let's just check if it's aluminum wires. Yeah, aluminum. And this seems to be maybe aluminium, maybe carbon fiber. Let's check the electronic if there's something fancy. I thought it took a long time to unscrew. Look at those threads. It's an insane thread count. So you don't want to lose any of the screws, but it'd be very hard to find similar screws. Check the short. Output 24. High power technology Kunshan. Definitely a DC, but it looks more like a 2.5. Here we have a 2.1 for comparison. And this is definitely BMZ. You can tell by the color. But let's see. Oh, it does have an indicator, a smart indicator. 2 GST connector. Why does it have 2? Unless they have 3 temperature probes. I think they're measuring the cells twice. And what date do we have on these cells? 2016. Millivolts? Nothing. It seems like it's completely dead. Here we do have voltage. 3.9 full voltage. 23. So this is the EST. This is something else. So this must be some type of temperature sensors. And you can definitely build with another BMS. Our dollies will definitely fit in there. And since this is a European version, it's 250 watt. Oh, it's 2 layers. Now I definitely want to go down there and check. We should be able to have enough stack to have a look at it. BMS Carbon Kinematics. So Carbon Kinetics is the company name for Gocycle, but I do believe this is made by BMZ and they got their name on it. Now it's also unpowered, so I can't short circuit it. Holy moly. So these must be MOSFETs controlling the positive, yeah, like BMZ likes to do. Interesting. We will offer EMA cell replacement and a new BMS. There's just too much on this that could go wrong, and there is no reason to use it unless you really need the indicator on the battery. Since the battery is probably built into the e-bike, I don't know how useful that is.